Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, laurafordesvideos 2. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we're going to be making something a little unusual. Why do I say that? Because it's not something we're really accustomed to. I'm going to be making soursop with chicken. So yes, it's something new, but we're going to be making use of our soursop. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to season up our chicken. Okay, so this soursop and chicken that we're going to be doing is going to have an Asian twist to it. So we're going to be using Asian seasonings to do this soursop with chicken. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some oyster sauce. This is a gluten-free oyster sauce. So I'm going to add about maybe 1 tablespoon of this oyster sauce. Okay. Okay, so we're going to add now some of our soy sauce. This is, again, it's a gluten-free soy sauce, tamari. So again, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce. Okay. Okay, we're also going to add a little bit of sugar as well. Maybe I would say about 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. So this is some chopped up garlic that I have here. So you can add, I guess, maybe 2 garlic cloves to it. I'm also going to add a little bit of ginger. So again, you can add how much you want. Let's just add a little bit of ginger there. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder as well. And I'm going to also add a little bit of onion powder. And I will also add a little bit of salt as well. Not too much because the oyster sauce and the soy sauce has salt in it. Okay, so let's combine these together. Alright, so our chicken is nicely massaged, so I'm going to leave it to marinate for a while I prep my soursop. Okay, so we have our soursop here. We're going to peel it. So we are using a soursop that is not we don't want it very soft. You want a somewhat firm soursop in order to make this dish. I just rinsed it out. So we're just going to be peeling it here. All right, so half it down. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to be using the whole soursop. I'm just going to use half of it. The other half I want to leave for something else. All right, so let me see. Doesn't matter, I don't think so. I guess I'll use this side, this one. I'll just put across here. All right, so let's cut this up. Let's see, maybe I'll cut this way first and then I'll cut it. Okay. So guys, this is pretty much the size. I'm going to, well, let's cut it a little small. Okay, so this is pretty much the size that I'm going to be cutting my soursop. I'm going to cut it in this size. So let me get to cutting up everything and taking out the seeds, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've finished cutting up my soursop. So now let's start with the cooking process. Okay guys, I actually forgot that I was supposed to add some seasoning peppers that I went outside, as you saw before, to pick. I want to add this to my chicken. Now, this is not traditional in making this recipe, but I'm going to add it just to enhance the flavor. So I'm going to be adding I'm going to add about 3 seasoning peppers to my chicken. Okay, so let's start now with cooking our chicken. So I'm going to add some oil to my wok here. So I'm using chicken wings to do this. And what I did was I cut off the wing tips. So I just used the drumettes and the flats, but I don't have the wing tips. I'm just going to leave it on this side a little so it will get some color, and then I will turn it over, and eventually I will cover it so that it can go through the whole cooking process. Guys, if you smell in here, you can smell the ginger and the garlic. What I do, guys, I'm also going to add a little chicken broth to help the chicken cook. So after I flip it, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth. What you guys can do for me in the comments below, let me know if you enjoy trying new dishes. All right, let me get some. I'm going to leave this just for a little bit, and then I'm going to add some chicken broth to it. Okay, so let us add our chicken broth to this. And cover this down in order for our chicken to completely cook. Okay, so at this point, guys, I'm going to add in my soursop. Let me just mix everything together. And then I'm going to cover it down. and allow the chicken to cook completely. And in case you're wondering what I'm going to be eating this with, I am actually going to be making some sticky rice to go along with this dish, because sticky rice goes really well with Asian flavors. I mean, yes, you can use jasmine rice, that's another popular one, but years ago we were in the United States and we stayed in Massachusetts. There was a lot of Laotians, and so I was introduced to sticky rice, and oh my goodness, I fell in love with sticky rice. I can't get it here, the same sticky rice that I used to get when I was up there, but I did find a sticky rice here, so that's what I'm going to be making in order to go along with this soursop Asian style chicken. All right, so let's cover this. Let me just make sure I have enough. I think I'm going to add a little more liquid to this. Because I want some sauce for my rice. I could always add more if I need to, you know. All right, so let's cover this now and let this chicken do its thing. All right, so we'll be back. Okay guys, I have some the white part of the spring onions or thyme. I'm just gonna add that in to this. And the green part of it, I'm gonna cut it up to sprinkle on the top when it is finished. Okay guys, so our soursop chicken is now completed. What we're going to do now is just top it with some spring onions or some thyme. Guys, don't forget to give your video the thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with family and friends. This is a video you don't want to keep to yourself. You want to share this one with your family and friends. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.